Hello and good evening. This is the Solaris X, and today I'm going to be telling you about Discord and how to go around using Discord, and I'm going to be showing you all the different things you can do with Discord. So what we got here is, as you could see, I've got plenty of servers here. I've got my own server there. This is my team's server. As you can see, you can add many people in your Discord server. You can add different channels into the Discord. You can add bots into the Discord as well. I'm going to show you how to integrate bots into your Discord as well. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to show you how to create a server. If you go right down the bottom, you got a plus sign there. You click the plus sign, and you can either join a server, which you have to put the server's URL there, or create a server. In this instance, we're going to create a server. Where's the server from? Western Europe. Enter name. For this basis, we're going to do tutorial. Server X. You can change the icon there. So what you want to do is you want to create your own image and to add into your server. Let's say for this instance we can put a testing PNG file on there. For testing purposes, and sometimes you may need to make the image smaller or bigger depending of the size of it. You may need a resizing free online resizer to resize the image. Then you click create. Therefore, you have created your first server. Now you can, if you've got some people on Discord, you can invite whoever you want. For this instance, we're not going to invite anyone. And there's our testing server there. And now what we're going to do, you can start creating your channels. As you can see, this server owner, I've got the icon there. Basically, what I could do with this is right click the server. You can create a category, let's say gaming category. Anything to do with gaming, you can go down there. So we can click that to add either a text or voice server. General. And now you can add a voice if you want. You can create a general voice. So now you've got two things you can connect to. You can edit the channel, and as you can see here, you got the bitrate. Got 8 kilobytes per second, 64 kilobytes per second, and 96 kilobytes per second. Just round that up. You can have as many as users as you want in the server. Alright, you want to save changes. No more than 53 users can enter there. You can change whatever permissions you want to use for the server. Let's say roles or members. Of course, I would have um the whole permission, but you can add the permissions here, or remove the permissions, or keep them as natural as possible. So now we got the general server with 53 members to allow. You can add whoever you want into the call. Also, in here in Discord, you can have anyone you want, and you can call them. You can do video call, a voice call. You can send them a private message. So yeah, it's much better than TeamSpeak. It's a nice, quick place to create servers and add servers to your own pleasure. You can add as many as you want, as many servers as you want. Over here we can do server settings, emoji. This is pretty cool. You can upload emojis. So you've got your own emojis you can add to use in the channel. You've got integrations, you've got roles. You can select whatever role you want for your members. There's your bans, your invites, your members list there. There's your log, and there's your overview of your channel. If you're not happy with a certain channel, just right click the channel and simply click delete channel. Then you want to delete the channel, and there you go. You can carry on adding or removing channels at your own leisure to suit your Discord needs. And that's it. And if you go to Discord Nitro, you got all other added stuff, but Discord Nitro would cost. But if you do that, you got like extra stuff the casual members can do on Discord. I hope this quick tutorial helps you with creating your own Discord channel. Now we're going to help you understanding how to add bot. What we're going to type here is Discord bot. Let's see what we got. This just a rough tutorial. So you can have all different types of bots into your channel. Me6 is great for announcing people and announcing when they go live, this and the other. So what you want to do, if you want to invite a bot over, just click invite, then click invite, log in with Discord. You want your email and password. And then you want to log in. You're going to authorize the access. Save. where do you want to add this server to. As you can see, I got access to manage all these servers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm a manager of 7 servers. So if we click this server that we need to add the bot into, embedded links, just allow whatever options you want to allow. Name the bot. No, sorry, this is the server it goes into. Yeah, go into that server and then authorize. Click I'm not a robot. And this is the list of options you can do. Of course, you got some premium features which may cost some money to unlock them. It's like 50 quid a year or £5 a month. I just use the casual stuff. It's good enough. So now what you will see is the bot has come in. So this bot will be handy to advertise things like welcome messages and stuff like that. But this was just a quick tutorial on how to invite bots into a channel and how to create your own channel and how to make calls with people on Discord, video calls, give them a direct message, a DM, Discord DM, and you could, like I said, you can set the roles here. Like let's say edit server, then we want to go to roles, start creating roles here. So the new role, name it admin. This will be your admin people, let's say, and let's say you want to set them as pink. Roles, if you want to do IRL, in real life friends, you can set that as green. Add another role, streamer. Maybe you can do that as orange. You get to create your own roles. And with this now, you want to save settings. So now you want to create what the roles are in each of these roles. So if you want to display role members, you want any of these things to be used by the streamer mode role list, this is the access you grant them. As you can see now, they got different access as everyone else. As you can see there, they're switching according to your roles list. So that's it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to come across here, we're going to apply some roles to my bot. Right click, roles. You're going to give your bot admin, goes to admin. IRL, it goes to IRL, whichever you want your bot to have. It's got it, as you can see there, because you separated the section with the streamer and the online members. How did we do that again? There you go. If you click display separately, it will go to separate section to all the other members, like let's say online members, support members. So if we take that off and save it, you see how it's bunched together. So now we're gonna do that. Roles, streamer. If we add IRL friends displayed separately as well. As you can see, it's notified as IRL friends because it is higher in the server list. It's higher in the roles list. So if you bring this down, it will bring the streamer notified first. As you can see here, we're gonna change it one more time. We're gonna do admin, display roles different, save. Now the bot should go to the admin section because that is higher rank than streamer and higher rank than IRL. There you go. So that's how to separate the sections. As you could see here, I've got section for extreme founders, trustees, bots, stream members, and offline. So it's nice to sort of section them so you know what goes where. And yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. To delete your server, if you no longer need the server, you want to go right click onto the server settings, and you want to click on roles and then delete server right by there. Now you want to do what you done, tutorial server X, delete server. As you can see, that server is no longer in the category, so we deleted the server. To delete a casual server, just a normal server. Let's say if you joined a server and then you got full of servers and you want a space free for a friend's server, just right click here, leave server, and then leave server. That's it. I'm no longer in that server. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you next time on my next video. All the best, take care, and if you've got any questions or queries to ask, feel free to give me a follow, subscribe, comment and like in my YouTube channel. This has been Solaris X in showing you how to manage your Discord server, and I'll see you next time for my next tutorial. Adios.